Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English online classes. I am Asha, your English teacher. We have completed our grammar topic from lesson 3. What was the topic? Yes, adjectives. And we have already completed the vocabulary session, compound words. And today let us discuss listening, speaking and one more activity, punctuation marks. Okay. So for listening activity, play you an audio, listen that one carefully. It's a story about the Goldilocks and the 3 bears. You have already heard the story from grade 1. So listen that audio carefully and complete your listening activity from page number 90. And I also attached the answer key of listening activity. So read that one and complete the activity.
Listening. Listen and tick the correct answers. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks. She went for a walk in the forest. Soon she came upon a house. She knocked, and when no one answered, she walked in. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl. "This porridge is too hot," she said. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. "This porridge is too cold," she said. So she tasted the last bowl of porridge. "Ah, this porridge is just right," she said happily, and she ate it all up. After breakfast, Goldilocks felt tired. So she walked into the hall where she saw 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat in the first chair. "This chair is too big," she said. So she sat in the second chair. "This chair is also too big," she whined. So she tried the smallest chair. "Ah, this chair is just right," she said and sat down. But the chair broke into pieces. Speaking. Now read aloud the rest of the story. Goldilocks was very tired by this time, so she went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down in the smallest bed and fell asleep. The house belonged to 3 bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home from their morning walk. When the bears went to the bedroom, they saw Goldilocks sleeping in Baby Bear's bed. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears. She screamed, "Help!" And she jumped up and ran out of the room. Goldilocks ran down the stairs, opened the door, and ran away into the forest. And she never returned to the home of the 3 bears.
Next, we can move to the speaking session. Speaking session is already they explained the rest of the story, the Goldilocks and the 3 bears. So shall we read from page number 19, speaking. Now read aloud the rest of the story. So here you can see the rest of the story, the Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Goldilocks was very tired by this time, so she went upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down in the smallest bed and fell asleep. So it was the story of the girl Goldilocks, and she went upstairs to the bedroom and she lay down the smallest bed in that room. The house belonged to 3 bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear and Baby Bear. Who was there? Yes, Papa Bear, Mama Bear and the Baby Bear. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home from their morning walk. While she was sleeping in the small bed at that time, the 3 bears came back to their home. When the bears went to the bedroom, they saw Goldilocks sleeping in Baby Bear's bed. Just then, Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears, and they reached back to their home and they saw that the Goldilocks was sleeping in the smallest bed. And at that time the Goldilocks opened her eyes. She woke up from her sleep. She screamed and she jumped up and ran out of the room. Goldilocks ran down the stairs, opened the door and ran away into the forest. And she never returned to the home of the three bears. And when she saw the three bears, she just started to run from there and she never came back in that home. So that's the story of the Goldilocks and the three bears. Also attach the YouTube URL of the story. So watch that one carefully so you can easily memorize the story. And next we can move to the topic punctuation marks that you have already learned from semester 1, and we can see that one once again.
Look at the first sentence. My name is Maria. My name is Maria. Is the sentence written in correct order? Is it correct? Is it punctuate? See that we have already discussed from semester 1. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. If there is any proper noun is there, if there is any special name is there, name should start with a capital letter. The first letter of that word should be in capital letter. So if it is a sentence, at the last we must put the symbol full stop. So is it done here? No. So how to change it? Yes. When we start to write the sentence, the first letter M in capital letter. My name is Maria. Maria is a special name. It's a proper noun. So we need to write the first letter M in capital letter. So my name is Maria. It's a sentence or question? Yes, it's a sentence. So we must put a full stop at the end of the sentence. So we can rewrite the sentence like this. First letter M in capital letter. My name is Maria. Maria is a proper noun. So the first letter M in capital letter and at the last full stop. So this is correct and this is wrong. And look at the second one. Manu is a good boy. Is it correct? No. Here they are written M in small letter. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be capital letter. So here we can rewrite the sentence like this. Manu, M in capital letter. Manu is a good boy. Manu is a good boy. It's a sentence or question? Yes, it's a sentence. So which symbol we can use here? Yes, full stop. So this is wrong and this is right. And third one, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a sentence or question. What's your name? What are you doing? It's a sentence or question? Yes, question. So a sentence asks any question. So at the last we must put the simple question mark. So here the first letter we need to write in capital letter. So we can rewrite like this. W in capital letter. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a question. So at the last, the simple question mark. Okay. And fourth one, what did Boris see? What did Boris see? It's a sentence or question? Yes, of course, it's a question. So how to rewrite this? Can you see a proper noun Boris here? They are written being small letter. Is it right or wrong? It's wrong. It's a proper noun. So we need to write B in capital letter. So here we can write W in capital letter, the first letter of the sentence. So we can rewrite like this. What did Boris is a proper noun. So the first letter in capital letter. Boris see. So it's a question. So at the last question mark. So children, a sentence asks any question. At the end of the sentence we must put the question mark. And whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter is capital letter. And if there is any special name in a sentence, we need to write the first letter in capital letter. And see children, while we are talking, we will express so many emotions. Is it happiness, sadness, is it? So how these emotions in a sentence? Yes, a sentence
shows strong feelings like sadness, happiness, surprise or eager. In such cases, we can use the mark. We can use the simple exclamation mark. Do you know the symbol of exclamation mark? So a sentence, it shows the strong emotions like, the strong feelings like sadness, happiness, then surprise and anger. In such cases, how to express that one in a sentence? Yes, we can use exclamation mark. Do you know the symbol of exclamation mark? Like this, a straight line, a dot below it. So we can see the examples. First one, wow, what a cute baby. It shows the surprise. Wow, what a cute baby. So here they use the exclamation mark in these places. Second one, alas, the cat is dead. It shows the sadness, the emotion sadness. So here we use the exclamation mark here. And third one, what a big dog. It also shows surprise. So at the last we put the simple exclamation mark. So children, a sentence, it shows the strong emotions like sadness, happiness, anger, surprise. In such cases, we can use the punctuation mark, exclamation mark. We can use the simple exclamation mark. Put a straight line and put a dot below that. That is the symbol of exclamation mark. Now we can discuss the textual activity. Take your textbook and take page number 20. We can discuss the textual activity about this punctuation marks. Textual exercise. First one. What a lovely feeling. This sentence shows the emotion, happiness. So here we use the simple exclamation mark. Second one. Where is your house, Bina? Where is your house, Bina? It's a question. So which punctuation mark we can use here? Yes, question mark. So where is your house, Bina? Here we use the simple question mark. Third one, what a funny drawing. What a funny drawing. It also shows the emotion. So here we use the simple exclamation mark. And fourth one, when is Mukta's birthday? When is Mukta's birthday? Is a sentence or question? Of course, it's a question. So we can put the simple question mark here. Fifth one, how old are you? How old are you? Yes, it's a question. So at the last, question mark. And the last one, he was so thirsty. He was so thirsty. It also shows the emotion. So here we use the simple exclamation mark. So children, a sentence, it asks a question, we can use the simple question mark. A sentence, it shows the emotion, we can use the simple exclamation mark. Children, today we have discussed listening, speaking and the topic punctuation marks. So complete your textual exercises and watch the Goldilocks and the 3 bears and practice more exercise regarding punctuation marks. In this class we can discuss the writing and one more topic is that is project that we can discuss in the next classroom. Till then take care. Bye.